Lateral side.
Okay. So you have here your zygomatic bone.
Zygomatic bone.
And then you have the temporal bone here. Zygomatic bone, then you have the portion of the occipital bone. Okay. So here, so you have there, karina sa yung maklaro. You have a suture here. So kanisha, you have the temporal process of the zygomatic bone. Kanisha, you have the zygomatic process of the temporal bone. Zygomatic process of the temporal bone. Okay. Then this one portion here is the greater wing of the sphenoid. Greater wing of the sphenoid. And this portion here, you have your pteriod. Your pteriod. Pteriod, the thinnest portion, the lateral portion of the skull. Okay, next. Okay, this one can in C shape. So you have your tympanic plate. Tympanic plate. Then kanang opening, you have your external auditory meatus. Oh, what? External auditory meatus. And then above sa external auditory meatus, kanisang lang, you now have your suprameatal crest. And a triangular structure, there you have your suprameatal triangle. Ano? And then above sa imong meatus, this one yung protrude. So we call this now as the suprameatal spine.
Gamay na kay sir.
O kanang gamay. Suprameatal spine. Okay, next, this one, you have your mastoid process of the temporal bone. And this one will be the styloid process of the temporal bone. Okay. Then this portion here, you have the squamous part of the temporal bone. The squamous. Ang kanisang area flattened, you have the temporal fossa. Temporal fossa. And this area here, this is not so clear. You have certain line, we call that line as your superior temporal line. Inferiorly, you have your inferior temporal line. Superior temporal line, inferior temporal line. It's not so clear kay line siya. Okay. Wala, si squamous, mas larger siya. So, squamous part lang siya. Within the squamous part, naka-temporal fossa siya. Okay, so this one, with the posterior side na ta. So, you have your occipital bone. So, this would be the squamous part of the occipital bone. And tiny protrude there behind, you have your external occipital protuberance. External occipital protuberance. Then, besides the external occipital protuberance, external occipital protuberance. Beside the external occipital protuberance, you have a certain line. We call that line now as your superior nuchal line. Superior nuchal line. And then, below sa superior nuchal line, you have another line. And we call that line now as the inferior nuchal line. Inferior nuchal line. Okay. Then, okay, there. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the inferior part. Okay, so this portion here, you have the maxillary portion, then you have here the palate, or the palatine, maxillary palatine. So there you have a foramen kay opening. So kanang opening, you have your incisive foramen. Incisive foramen is yung opening. Then the surrounding the foramen na kay flat surface, you have this, we call it as fossa. So you have your incisive fossa.
Fossa, sir. So, sir.
Sure. So opening. And then this one here, near to the palatine bone, so you have the palatine process of the maxillary bone. The palatine process of the maxillary bone. And then, okay. Then here, you have the horizontal plate.
Circle down.
Adili na lang, kita. Sure? Isla kita. Makonsensya ko, isla kita. Isla kita kung ako kawan. So you have this...
Kita, sir.
Ha?
Ang taas lang mo kita. Dili ang bubos mo.
Kasi...
Sa imong diyan, sir. Sa imong diyan.
O, ana, sir, ana. Bubos na yan.
Hey, you have horizontal plate of the palatine bone. Ito siya. And then beside the horizontal plate, you have this foramen or opening. So one that is more anterior and more greater in size. So you have your greater palatine foramen. Greater palatine foramen. And then posterior to that and much smaller in size, so you have your lesser palatine foramen. Bantay, mahawag ka ni ballpen ha. Lesser palatine foramen. Ano? And then you have here an opening, so we call that opening now as the, since posterior man siya, so posterior nasal aperture. Posterior nasal aperture. And you have a vertical on there. Again, that would be your boomer. Boomer. And at the side of your posterior nasal aperture, this one, you have your medial pterygoid plate. Medial pterygoid plate. Then, lateral to that, kanisha, you now have the lateral pterygoid plate of the sphenoid bone siya. So, medial pterygoid plate and lateral pterygoid plate of the sphenoid bone. Medial and lateral pterygoid plate. Okay, between your medial and lateral, kanisha portion here. Between your medial and lateral pterygoid plate, kanisha tilt. You now have your scaphoid fossa. Scaphoid fossa.
Ganito. Isa, sir.
Okay. Okay, scaphoid fossa. Ini ba ka na 52? Yung scaphoid fossa.
56.
Okay, saan ako? Okay, next. Oh, behind sa imong at the midline. Okay, behind sa posterior nasal aperture, you have the center middle. So this would now be the basilar part of the occipital bone. Basilar part of the occipital bone. And then at the center there, nakay mo protrude. Gamay, so you have your pharyngeal tubercle. Pharyngeal tubercle. Humulus, di makita sa model, so di na include na lang kayo. Ngayon, so asang humulus, sir, na di makita. Extended siya sa medial pterygoid, hook-like na okma siya.
Sorry.
Okay, asan ako? Okay, so then, behind sa imong basilar part of the occipital bone, you have your foramen magnum. Then, at the side of your foramen magnum, you have this one, we call this occipital condyle. Occipital condyle. Here. Okay, then behind sa imong foramen magnum, we have a crest towards the external occipital protuberance. We call this now as the external occipital crest. External occipital crest. Ano? Okay. Siya.
Sa foramen magnum.
Hindi mo nang go.
Okay, next. This one, if we're going to analyze yung 3 nga hait na if ever.
Where, sir?
So this one would be the spine of the sphenoid. Spine of sphenoid. And this one would be the styloid process of the temporal bone.
Asa na? Kinatasan, sir?
Kani, asa kinatasan. Isa ka na. Aso. And then this one would be the mastoid process of the temporal bone. The mastoid process.
Kailangan mo na ipagtatap